Welcome in the Crash Lab. Don't worry, you won't be hurt. The laboratory is mainly used for development and preparation of measuring equipment for most of our experiments related to vehicle accidents. Let's start with the development corner, where are currently placed our self-developed and constructed measuring devices for data collection, for example during crash tests. Right now they are under inspection, because a few days ago we carried out a series of crash tests of passenger cars. Basically it is not possible to repeat crash test, so our devices must always be in 100% condition. Another very important equipment are devices for not only photo and video documentation. The latest addition is the 3D laser scanner, which allows us to scan in detail and then examine and evaluate the deformations of vehicles or their parts. The obtained data are used to innovate the procedures of liquidators of insurance companies, to specify the procedures for a comprehensive analysis of accidents, including police methodology for documentation at the site of a traffic accident. As we mentioned also, ordinary audio and video recordings are very important source of data. For this purpose we are equipped with a number of different cameras. The most interesting are cameras which our drone is equipped with. Thanks to this we are able to obtain overall and detailed shots of the test. In addition, the drone is also equipped with accurate GPS, so from the obtained data we are able to reconstruct a 3D model of the entire scene. The classic microscope is also not lost. With its use we could examine, for example, the fracture surfaces of the rail, or tachographic discs after serious or fatal traffic accidents, with which no one else in Czech Republic can cope. You will not see the main thing here in our crash lab. That's because we have to carry out crash tests outside our laboratory. Thanks to our equipment we are able to carry out a crash test almost anywhere where there is a sufficiently large space. We are able to perform tests of multiple moving vehicles, which is at least a national uniqueness, or validate the functionality of some security elements of the infrastructure, counter-terrorism barriers, etc. This is our laboratory of diagnostics and driving dynamics, thanks to which we are able to carry out research in the field of diagnostics and driving dynamics of vehicles. The obtained data help to calibrate the simulation models. Similar to the crash lab, in this laboratory, preparatory and subsequent evaluation work takes place. Using conventional diagnostic devices, we are able to check the status of vehicle control units before tests, or enter the required values for the test. The lift and 3D geometry allow us to measure the geometry of the vehicle in detail, so we have the opportunity to examine both the effect of incorrect vehicle geometry on driving stability and the effect of specific situations on the setting of vehicle driving geometry. Wheels or tires play a crucial role in driving the vehicle on the road. For this reason we have the equipment to precisely set the required properties, balance, run out, etc., or to re-examine the impact of specific situations on the tires and wheels. The correct or required setting of the headlights plays a role, especially in tests performed at night. We are also able to implement this thanks to our equipment. Using strain gauges, we can examine the change in the position of the vehicle's center of gravity, for example due to an unrestrained load. One of the main research activity is the analysis of human behavior in road traffic. For the purpose of visual behavior analysis, there has been the eye tracking laboratory. Depending on the purpose of the study, different types of eye trackers are used. Road safety sometimes does not allow to measure in real road traffic, for example analysis of alcohol influence, analysis of drivers with health disabilities, or certain types of distraction. However, these measurements are very important for practice, Therefore selected studies are performed only on driving simulators. Driving simulators are also used to verify the proposed methodology of comprehensive studies, including the combination of eye tracking, selected biosignals, video data, etc. Also in this room is a symbolic museum of damaged parts from vehicles, which we met as part of research or processing of expert opinions and expertises. For expert practice and increasing of road safety, the most beneficial data are from real road traffic. Very detailed data about road users' behavior are obtained using our mobile laboratory, very unique measurement vehicle. At the time of its acquisition, this vehicle was fully equipped with additional systems and assistants, which are now becoming standard, such as headlights with a shading function, but much more interesting is the equipment and facilities that are hidden inside. The unique measuring device is able to synchronously record the vehicle interior and exterior, and also driver visual perception and his interaction with other road users and modern vehicle systems. The Mobile sensor detects the pedestrians and other road users' movement. Vehicle data are recorded via the CAN bus. The combination of vehicle data and physiological data allows to analyze critical driver conditions, such as fatigue, stress, distractions, and their influence on drivers' perceptions and behavior. Institute of Forensic Engineering has at its disposal a further amount of measuring, documentation and special devices, which are used for research in the field of traffic accidents. Due to time constraints, it was not possible to cover everything. If you would like, we can show you everything in detail during your visit. The data obtained from our instruments and equipments help to better understand and analyze the course of traffic accidents, and the results and measures taken can then save lives.